will find that the report options available depend upon your product and user level access. Easy Apps Professional does not include user level security, so all users have unlimited access to the Reports module. In this tutorial, we will work in Agency Pro to show the various levels of report access. Here you see reports in our list for the types of accounting, management, marketing, and other. These report categories allow you to choose who has access to each report. The accounting reports are only available in Agency Pro since EasyAgent does not include an accounting module. Under Agency Setup, which is only available to supervisory users, you can click Employees to review the agency user's access levels. If a user has accounting access checked, they can see the reports listed under the type Accounting. Supervisory users are able to see the management reports as well as the user-defined report, which is used to create custom report templates and query databases. All users have access to the marketing and other types of reports. A producer-restricted user has a permanent filter to the clients that have their username listed in the Assign Producer field on the client screen. These users can only report on those clients assigned to them, so while they may be able to run the report, they will only get results based on their assigned clients. If you wish to grant or to remove access to a report currently listed, the type can be reassigned. For instance, if I would like a non-supervisory user to be able to run the download report All Companies, I select the report in the list, click the edit icon, then change the type from Management to Other. Once the non-supervisory user has logged out and back in, this report will be available in their reports list. Move on in our report subseries to learn the basics of report customization.